Hey there! In this video, we'll be showing you the steps to install driveway pavers. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or new to home improvement, you'll find this guide informative and helpful. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Clear the driveway of any debris or existing pavement. Grade the surface to ensure proper water drainage. Compact the soil to provide a solid base for the pavers. Step 2. Lay a base layer of gravel. Spread a layer of gravel over the prepared surface. Compress the gravel with a plate compactor to create a level and stable base. Step 3. Cut and lay the pavers. Measure and cut the pavers to fit your driveway, making sure to leave enough space for joint filler. Place the pavers in a dry fit, starting at one end of the driveway and working your way to the other end. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the pavers are level and fit snugly. Step 4. Secure the pavers. Spread a layer of sand over the pavers. Use a broom to sweep the sand into the joints, filling any gaps between the pavers. Compact the sand with a plate compactor to ensure stability. Step 5. Seal the pavers. Wait at least 24 hours for the sand to settle. Apply a sealer to the pavers to protect them from the elements and prevent weed growth. Conclusion. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to install driveway pavers. With proper preparation and attention to detail, you can create a beautiful, durable, and long-lasting driveway. Thank you for watching.